Okay, hello guys. Today we're gonna play Troll is a Pinning Tower 2. Okay. This is my first time playing it, so let's try to play it. Wait. We're gonna restart. Nah. I'm good. I'm skibidi. I'm skibidi. What the heck? I realized there's a glitch here. In the wall hop no. In the wall hop section. No. Why do I forget the pieces of this when I watch YouTube? Okay, guys. So yes.
Kain na tayo.
Ignore that sound. Okay, that is just my mom. Okay. Now this is where the troll starts. Should I turn off my Wi-Fi or should I do a wall hop? Nah, I won't risk it. Are you? You're stupid. Like I'm not kidding. You are the worst person ever to exist in this world. You have ruined my life. Stop! Megan, if I can buy this slap hand, you're cool. I have no Wi-Fi left. I am the chosen one. Hello? 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 Did that tell me? Get out!
Get out!
Wait, guys, yes. There you go. Yeah, he thinks he can troll. He thinks he can troll. He thinks he's the chosen one. He thinks he's him. But I will fall later in the blue section where there's also a troll. I haven't. No! I hate this game. You know what? I'm gonna turn off my Wi-Fi again. Okay. What the heck? I didn't do that. Sir. Do I trust? No, I don't trust. John Robert is the chosen one. Bro, I hate you! Okay, did I turn it off now? Okay, good boy. What the heck? Oh my god! What the heck? Bro! I hate you! Oh my god, bakit kasi napapapunta sa settings? Lagi kasi napapapunta sa settings. Sira na to! rejoin? Cause this server sucks!
Mama na yan, kain na muna tayo.
Wait!
Magkakain na ito.
Okay, we're back. Cause that stupid thingy went into my screen and I cannot see anything anymore. And it made me leave. What the hell is that? That's rigged. What? That's rigged. Dang. Don't trust anyone. Also, by the way, guys, I'm gonna post another video this day. Yes, I'm bored. I can't do anything today because Asphalt Unite didn't update because they just ended the McLaren Senna Lego Technic event. Okay, let's go. Bro sacrificed himself to troll. Bro is literally in troll. Like what? Stop, you idiot! Don't trust anyone. Hindi ka magalaw, avatar ko!
Ano pangalan ng babae?
What the heck? What the heck? What happened? Stop! You absolute imbecile! I will kill you. You absolute! Yes, that's what you get. You deserve everything that you... I hate everyone that goes through. Good boy. I think I booked it. Yeah. 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 Taste this. Okay. I am not ending this video until I get to the very top or near the top. Okay, I'm locked in. Yes, sir. Skibidi-dop. Let me freaking jump, bro. I'm scared. I love you every day. there, he paid to win for admin or reply. I know it. I'm scared, guys. No! No! I'm back to the very start. I got a mute, so I can do it. Let him cook. Ignore my dog back there. He's very... I will kill every single person in this server in real life. Let me climb the ladder. Imagine if you can one up there. That would be so amazing. Let me just turn off. Patapi. Okay, guys, it's new on. Is she gonna get surprised? Oh my God, she's a lucky girl. Why is there all girls here?
Bakit naman po po kayo dyan? Nakakamotes ito, Bisaya ito sa amin eh. Ito na nga sir, nagsumong. Hindi naman. Ayos naman. Ayos naman. Siya lang po ba mag-isa dyan?
Speedrun. I will not talk in this part because this is where it gets hard. I meant easy. Oh, this is the hard part.
Isa na lang kami sa inyo. Pero, ano rin pa, doon na ba dinurated yung mga nanyo? Wala. So, may
Okay, guys, we are now on the spot. Okay, guys, I'm stuck. Okay. Oh my God! I am not stopping until I get to the purple.
Last game, 10:30.
Imagine if I can one hop there. No, I can't. Not switching colors. Oh my God! Ah!
Grabe.
love scam kami. Nagbigay pa ng, magkano lang nagbigay mo? 3,000?
Bro forgot one thing. Be skibidi. Skibidi say that like Donald. Be skibidi. Sir, let's wait.
Good morning, Asagan. Asagan na lang. Sabi niyo, sir. Nandito ako sa Lab. Kaya ng mga bus sa baba ko naman. Go.
Ang pag-iitanong sa kanya kung yung nag-detect o nag-detect sa kanya kung babae o lalaki. Kasi ang sabi mo sa babae na rito, so nag-detect lalaki. Pero pagka nakita ko sa babae yata yung kasi
Wait, can I just... Yeah, no. Oh, I won't be me. I won't be dance in front of them. My eyes are peeled open right now. I haven't blinked. I will kill you. I don't care about my life anymore. It is useless compared to everything else. Okay. Stop. Bro forgot one thing na. Wala, nagre-record ako.
Ay, sorry.
Bro forgot one thing.
Bro, sa mga kumain, ibawa mo yung ano.
You're such a...
Nakubi ako po sabay kumain eh.
Okay. You guys are such... Oh my God! Stop moving! You got cooked. You messed up, bro. Oh heck nah, bro. Nah, bro has admin. Can I wall hack? Is that the question? Can I do it? Because I haven't wall hacked before. How hard is it? Like how hard? Can I do it? Can I actually do it? Can I guys? Do you think so? Yo, stop moving! Do you guys think so? No. Will not risk my life. Yo! I actually hate every single person listener.
Sir, walang problema. Sasagutin na po ni Idol yung pamasagot. Kaya, sir, syempre, gusto din po natin, di ba?
Okay. This is the last try. One more chance. And I will now finish. I give up. This is the last one. The last straw for everything that I have done. The really last one. Let's do it. So, okay. Let's go. What is the Box burst open, bok borok. Box burst open, bok borok. Look, he's gonna troll. Look. Look. Get out! Max burst open. Yes, sir. I'm speedrunning. What? Let me jump. There's two kids. This is the last try. And I give up. Okay. Let's go.
I-inquire mo itong ATM ko.
I'm gonna speed run this.
Then ako pumasok na yung sahod ko. At saka,
No!
nag-deposit ako ng 6K.
I haven't fell to the very down. Let's see if people are trustable. Okay. If I die here, it's all. Okay.
Ayun.
They're not trustable. You cannot trust people.
Sinalo niyo si Aras ulit. Playing coach.
This is the last life that we have. They are not... Are they trustworthy? You go. Bro failed. That was embarrassing. See, they're not trustworthy. I knew it. Why you got no pants on? Right. Yo, don't. You're cooked. I knew it. I will make myself fall. Admin, please ban him. Please ban him. What the heck? Bro tweaking. Bro is tweaking. Why bro tweaking? Blood is literally tweaking right now. Let's see if humans are trustworthy of everything. Because this will be my last like and the last time. Get out! Why bro tweaking? Why bro tweaking? Dang, bro tweaking! Bro dabbing, bro! Dang! Bro dab! W, bro, W! I wanna quit so bad. I gotta do it. Okay, this is the last one. I will now sacrifice. Goodbye to everyone. I will now face it on. But first, sacrifice now. Okay, that's the end of the video. Goodbye. Thank 23 minutes. Okay, bye-bye.